Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we are looking at an email for community small businesses. Let's look at that. It's kind of like Yelp, but based in the US. Let's use our background as the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails. Let's look at how this works and let's build it into something better. Let's make it good. Let's take something okay or bad and let's make it good. That's what we do on Cold Email Teardowns. That's what we do on this channel. Here's the email that we are breaking down. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button for more videos like this, and I will talk to you soon. I'll be around whenever you want to talk about emails. That's me. I'm the email guy, all right? You want cold emails? Come to the Cold Email King. And that's exactly what Sarah is doing here in this email. So this is the cold email that I would love to tear down today. Subject, first touch. Hey, first name. My name is Sarah Roddy. I am a local franchise owner for Get in the Loop in the Windsor, Essex area. You know, one liner would probably be like, love the work you guys do. Something like that. I'm gonna just fill out the template so you can see what's going on. Hey, Alex. I wanted to personally reach out to you because I'm in the process of building a community of great local businesses and connecting them with local customers. COVID has taught us that small businesses need to support each other, and our platform Get in the Loop really makes that a reality. We've already had, I can't even read this, bro. How do you guys send emails like this? Are you not reading the emails before you send them? So here we go. With that being said, I should probably read it just for a performative measure. All right, let's finish this terrible email. COVID has taught us that small businesses need to support each other, and our platform Get in the Loop makes it a reality. Div, make sure we bleep the name Get in the Loop. They don't deserve publicity for this. We already have 19 local businesses on board and are in the process of building a community of like-minded businesses in the Windsor, Essex region. I would love to have a quick chat to see if we can collaborate. Are you available later this week or early next week? Look forward to connecting with you, Sarah.
Not a good email. It's not.
I'm triggered, dude. I'm triggered reading this trash.
All right, let's go for it. So, when you're sending a cold email, I'm gonna put the knee up for this one. We gotta get comfortable for this one. Crack the knuckles. Hey, Alex, my name's Sarah Roddy. I do not care. I am a local franchise owner of Get in the Loop. Again, do not care. I wanted to personally reach out to you because I'm in the process of building a community of great local businesses and connecting them with local customers. Phrased the wrong way. Love the work you guys do and would love to send some customers your way. COVID has taught us that small businesses need to support each other, and our platform makes that a reality. Do not care. We already have 19 local businesses on board and are in the process of building a community of like-minded businesses in the Windsor, Essex region. This part's important. What's the deal? We already have 19 local businesses on board and are in the process of building a community of like-minded businesses in the Windsor, Essex region where we can all introduce clients to each other. Let's have a quick call this week. Thanks, Sarah. We already have 19 local businesses on board and are in the process of building a community of like-minded businesses in the Windsor, Essex region. So if you have businesses in the region you're reaching out to, I would just talk about those. We already have 19 local businesses on board, including XYZ and XYZ, including Mark's Sweet Shop and whatever. Like, you want them to know these brands and then they'll respond. And that's that. That's all I would do. And I would change this subject line to quick question. Quick question. Hey, Alex, love the work you guys do and would love to send some customers your way. We already have 19 local businesses on board, including XYZ and XYZ, and are in the process of building a community of like-minded. Okay, I'm going to change this. We are in the process of building a community of like-minded businesses in the Windsor, Essex area where we can all introduce clients to each other. We already have 19 businesses on board, including XYZ and XYZ, and would love to add yours as well. Let's have a quick call this week. Done. Cold email teardown. You can see the before. Gross. After. Wow. This email will perform better. And if it doesn't, Sarah, I'll write another one for you. That's all we can do. Question for you. Do you have a cold email that you want us to tear down? Comment it down below, either the full text of it or put it in a Google Doc and share the doc with a little context. And maybe you'll see yourself on the next episode of Cold Email Teardown. Or just join Email 10K Ultimate and I will definitely do it on the weekly calls. Speaking of that, if you want to meet me, you want me to look at your email campaigns and you want me to break down exactly what's wrong with your business and what can be improved, then join Email 10K Ultimate, which you can join at email10k.com. It's a community, 500 entrepreneurs plus now, over 500 entrepreneurs, all working to grow their businesses together. So check that out at email10k.com. And if you're looking for leads for your business, you want to find more leads to send cold emails to, then check out Lead Shark. There's a special offer for you in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.